Step 10, create purchase order referencing an RFQ. Okay, we already rejected the two quotation previously. Now we're going to create a purchase order, which means that we are confirming from whom we're going to buy. So it's going to be inside logistic, material management, purchasing, purchasing order, create, vendor, supplying, plant known. Double click on this. Okay, now on the document overview on, click on this, so it will give you this section of the functionality for purchase order. This is the part where we're going to be filtering the quotations that is created during the purchasing of chain locks. So the first part is basically we're going to see a list of selection for RFQ, request for quotation. So click on this. We're going to select variant, request for quotations. Okay, now this part here, request for quotation, we're going to be searching or basically inserting through material number. Okay, so try to find your material. Currently, if you can remember, it's going to be a CHLO. So just do a quick search. Sorry, I keep forgetting to insert one more items there. Okay, now click on here. So we already found our material number. But if you want to follow exactly as what is in the lab case study, so you can go through by material type. Material by material type is HAWA, is material. So basically you just insert here 11005. Enter. Currently that is mine. So you can just include that inside there. Okay, double click. When your material number is populated, make sure all other search criteria here are being emptied. So make sure you remove everything. Double clicking is okay. Okay, done. Then you press on execute. So what you're going to get is basically this three quotations that was created. Now we're going to change this view a little bit. Now click on breakdown. We're going to insert vendor, choose vendor name, put it inside here, and also vendor name is going to be sort more, the first criteria of sort, and then we have the document number. Okay, transfer this. So it's going to change your view a little bit. Before this, you only see quotations. Now you can see it better, from whom it comes from and how many quotations did they send. Okay, so from here you can we do the select layout icon, and we're going to see the materials. Select change layout. We're going to insert the material part. Select material, press on here to transfer it to the display column, and then press on transfer. So if you're not sure what is the changes, try to expand it. You can see the material part is being included here, so that you can get a much more clearer view when you want to create your purchase order. All information can be seen here. Now what you want is basically the one from Midwest. This is the quotation number. Okay, now what you need to do is basically we need to adopt this and going to be populated the information here. So we're going to be adopt this by clicking on this button here. This is not adopt, please be careful. This is other purchase order, so click on here, that is to adopt. When you click on that, all the different information is inside. Okay, now please verify the information that this is the material number that we're going to be purchased. The date of delivery is going to be 3 months from today. Quantity is going to be 200 and net price is at $32. Okay, if everything is okay, then we're going to be checking on other informations. Now we're going to be looking at the conditions tab. Okay, now notice here the total pricing is going to be 6,400. That is how much we're going to be paying to the vendor. Now we're going to change something on the delivery schedule. Okay, now have a look in terms of the item detail. For here, currently we need to try to find the delivery schedule tab. Currently I'm not seeing it here, but it is down here. Notice that there are basically two different tabs, here and also here. Now for this material, go to the delivery schedule tab. What we're going to do here is basically change on some information. We're going to break the delivery into two separate deliveries. Okay, now what we're going to be doing here is basically we're going to be inserting this part here. We're going to change it from 200 to 100. So we're going to break up this delivery schedule, 200 to 100. So on the second delivery date is going to be 1 week from 11 of September. So 11 of September, the second delivery is going to be on the 18th of September. It's going to be another 100, and also purchase requisition is going to be the same. And also one more input, that is requisition item. Okay, so currently this represents as this part. Also we need to copy and paste it. Okay, let me expand this. Okay, so that's it. Make sure your input is correct by comparing it with the screen that is inside the PDF file. Okay, then click on enter. Okay, so no problem there. Now we're going to move on to the material data tab. Here we're going to be selecting info update. Just make sure this thing is already being selected. If it's not, then please make sure it's selected. Press on save and then done.